Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to be making a classic, easy Italian pasta recipe known as carbonara. Traditionally spaghetti is used, but we're gonna do fettuccine, and we're gonna keep it simple and to the point. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna have some flat leaf parsley, Italian parsley for garnish, a couple cloves of garlic, 3/4 cups of shredded parmesan. I have 3 eggs here that have been sitting out at room temperature for a little bit. Salt, pepper, some olive oil, and then about 1/2 cup of sliced bacon. I couldn't find pancetta, so if you can find pancetta, go for it. And then when you slice your bacon, always put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It slices a lot easier. And then a pound of our fettuccine. Okay, you can see my water's already boiling. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. It kind of helps the pasta from sticking while it's cooking. And of course, we definitely want to put in a good pinch of kosher salt. Help season the pasta a little bit. I'm just gonna put that in there, and we're gonna cook this until it's al dente, which means firm to the tooth. Okay, let's continue while our pasta is boiling. We're gonna start by frying up the bacon. Okay, got the pan on medium. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or you could use butter here if you like. And let's get our bacon in there. Break it up so it's gonna cook nice and even. Okay, now we're gonna get our cloves of garlic in there. So you just wanna kind of crush them up a little bit. Peel them like this. And you got some crushed garlic. I'm gonna give this one more little hit. I'm just gonna drop these in there. Swirl them around so we get that garlic flavor going. Okay, when you crack your eggs into a bowl, don't do it on the edge of your bowl because you're going to push the shell into your egg. So always hit it on a flat surface and drop them in there. There we go. I'm just going to take a fork, start to whisk that up. Once you get it going for a few seconds, let's go ahead and add our wonderful Parmesan Reggiano. Okay, back to the bacon. Kind of stirred a couple times. Oh man, I can smell that garlic. You might want to check your pasta at this point too to make sure it's not getting overcooked. You don't want mushy pasta. Yeah, this has a few more minutes. We're getting there. And then finally, I'm just gonna rough chop our parsley that's for garnish. And this is almost ready. This comes together so fast. Okay, you can see our bacon is brown. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and then we're gonna remove the garlic. We just wanted to get that flavor infused from the garlic. We didn't want to leave those in there. Okay, we've cut the heat off the bacon. Now I'm gonna check the pasta. And I just grab one little strand, and you chuck it at the wall. Make it see if it sticks. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna drain it. And some recipes say leave your water, or reserve some of your pasta water so you can add it to the pasta as we move on. Let's let that sit for a minute in the sink. All right, we're almost done. Okay, now we're gonna add the pasta. We want things hot, but we don't want our eggs to curdle up and scramble. Here's the fun part. And this is something you're gonna wanna serve immediately. Now the eggs are gonna cook a little bit, but like I said, they're not gonna, you don't want them to scramble up. There you have it. Nice, glossy, lovely texture. All we need now is a garnish, maybe a little salt and pepper. Let's eat. All right, let's dress it up. Get some fresh cracked pepper on there. A little bit more of our shredded Parmesan. looks so good. And then a little bit of parsley. So like I said, this is the standard, straightforward recipe. People tweak this. Some purists say never add cream, but some people add cream, ricotta cheese. You can do little petite peas in there. So this is kind of just your simple, straightforward. And I would even like to put asparagus tips in there, but my wife said no. Let's give it a bite. It's amazing how something so simple tastes so good. Of course, there's bacon in it. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in.